First, I will explain what monitoring is. Then, we'll look at why it matters to the business. After that, I will show you what we monitor and how alerts work in real systems. So I will also share some real life examples and talk about common tools used in monitoring, and then we'll end it with the takeaways. Introduction to monitoring. Monitoring simply means watching system continuously. So the goal is to detect problems before user notice them. A simple example is your car dashboard. If something is wrong, you get a warning early. So you don't wait for the engine to fail. So monitoring works that same way. It focuses on three main things, which is the performance, the performance, which means how fast the system is. We also have the availability, whether it is up or down, and integrity, whether everything is working correctly. If any of these starts going wrong, monitoring helps us to catch it very early. So that's the business life. So the business case. Now let's talk about why this matters to the business. On average, downtime costs about $5,600 per minute. So even a small issue can become expensive very quickly. Also, most customers won't come back after a bad experience. So this is not just about systems; it's about us. It's about trust too. So let's compare two situations. One, no monitoring. A problem goes unnoticed for 20 minutes. That is already a big loss. Two, the same issue is detected within a minute and fixed quietly. No one even notices. So that is a very big difference. So this is what we monitor. So what exactly do we monitor? First, we monitor the infrastructure. So when we're talking about infrastructure, we mean the CPU, memory, disks, and even the networks. That is all we monitor. So this tells us if the system is healthy. So we also have the application. We monitor the application, how fast they respond, and how often errors happen. This tells us if users are having a good experience or not. So we also monitor the security, like unusual login attempts or suspicious behavior. Another important area is user experience. Things like um, things like load time when you try to load a page, um, whether it's loading very fast or it failed. So that is what we monitor before users experience something like that. So and finally, we have the business metrics like user activities or transactions. So we also monitor that. So monitoring is not just technical; it directly affects how the business performs. So without monitoring, business can be moving without any insight, moving blindly. So that is why we monitor every infrastructure and why companies need it. So we also have the alert life cycle. And let me show you how monitoring works step by step. The first one, the systems collect data continuously. Then we define what normal looks like. If something goes outside that normal range, it is detected as a problem. An alert is triggered and sent to the right person. It might be the admin or whoever is in charge of the application or system. The person investigates and fixes the issue. Then the system confirms everything is back to normal. And all this can happen in seconds. It can happen in seconds. It can also when this kind of things happen in the company, when something is down, the monitoring helps in alerting the right person. So we also go to the next slide now. So industry case studies. Let's look at some real examples. Can anyone hear me? Can you guys hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay. So let's look at some real examples. Companies like Amazon monitor companies like Amazon, they monitor billions of metrics every day. Even 1 minute of downtime can cost a lot of money. They also have the Spotify, they monitor millions of users and fix it problems before anyone notices. But not every company is getting it right. Let's look at this story. The Night Capital trading incident is a good example. A system issue went unnoticed for 45 minutes. They lost about $440 million. The company didn't survive because they were not monitoring it. So now we go back to the tooling landscape. Now let's look at some tools that make monitoring possible. Number one, we have the Prometheus. Prometheus is used to collect data from systems like CPU, memory, and other metrics. Grafana takes, we also have the Grafana. It takes that data and display it as in dashboards, so teams can easily understand what is going on. So we also have the number three, which is the data dog. The data dog combines everything into one problem. Metrics, logs, and alerts combines everything. So we also have the pager duty. The pager duty is used to send alert to the right person when something goes wrong. And we also have the ELK stack. It helps store and analyze logs so that team can investigate issues. So these tools work together to give full visibility into systems. So it also helps to alert the right person when things goes wrong. So now we have the key takeaways for this. To summarize everything, monitoring helps us detect problems before users notice them. Downtime is very expensive at $5,600 per minute. Early detection is a direct driver of financial performance. So comprehensive observability covers infrastructure, apps, security, UX, and business metrics. The alert lifecycle executes in under 60 seconds when properly implemented. Night Capital lost $440 million without it. Amazon and Spotify tried because of it. Monitoring is a strategic business capability, not a technical afterthought. So thank you. I will take any question. I will also ask my question. So, do anyone have any question? Can anyone see me?
Yes, we can hear
Okay,
you. I do have a question.
okay, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Austin. I wanted to ask you.